There are also participants in the webinar who are, are now like passed out maybe 1 year or 2 year back. So they're either interning or are at basic level of jobs where they are learning in PR. And I can see somebody in journalism, and maybe somebody is in celebrity management company as trainees, or maybe 1 year, 2 year experience. Now they are asking, keeping in mind the current crisis which they are fearing losing jobs also. It's very visible from the questions here. So they are asking, is this the right time to really proactively give a stop to what they are currently doing? Because tomorrow employers are going to tell them that and move into academics and do something. Because they like the field, but they don't know what to do. The most of them I am seeing are, sports and events company questions coming in. That way.
Okay, I can tell you first, now you should not react to the current situation. Everything is temporary, it will get past. But this is the new world order, that everything will be very volatile, or VUCA as they call it. No. So okay. in a volatile world, if you talk about is it the right time, I would say everything is the right time at every moment. Okay. Because of the fact you cannot get prepared after the tsunami comes. So those who are working, for instance, my recommendation would be, don't leave the job, but do a course, whether online at home, but you must be able to discipline yourself to go in the evening for a class, or in online is easier because of the social distancing. Do the course, don't leave the job, because getting a job is difficult now. And if you continue to do, and your employer will see this guy is studying and contributing that learning, and don't do study just like that. Bring that learning into your job so that you look better than others. So you have to always compete. No. So it is very critical that on other times I would have said, fine, leave job because you have to give full time a 2-year course. But today every institute have got online evening courses. Do that course. You learn the technique, the way to approach the subject. You'll be able to relate in your context of the environment. So I would say hybrid approach would work better now, but increasingly suppose job goes, fear is no preparation. Get ready for it in advance so that when the fear happens, you can easily pivot from that area. Suppose someone talked about sports management. Now sports things worldwide, Wimbledon getting postponed, Olympic getting postponed. Does it mean sports will go away? No, I don't believe. Once vaccines comes, everything will be fine. But fact remains, currently you will lose job. All the IPL franchises are asking people to go. Now, point is that you have learned something. So if you're, again, it's a matter of supply side fund. If you have the fund, study is the only thing which can get you going through multiple such paradigms, because paradigms will go on coming and future will no longer be predictable. It will be uneven, but you should be able to surf that unevenness well, only through education.
Has been telling us, this is every time is a good time to study and upskill, especially for youngsters like you. Jobs are going to be difficult, and that's what we were told by the University of Mumbai Department of Mass Media, that they conducted a survey of the student community, and students also acknowledge the fact that economy will take 6 months to 12 months to improve. The situations will be difficult to get jobs, and very clearly it is getting visible, and experts also are telling us that this is the time to upskill and stay relevant, so that when the things open up, you are ready to really join the workforce. So make the best use of this kind of a learning opportunity, because learning is going to help you. Warren Buffett has said is the best way to beat inflation is education.
All my young colleagues, I'm telling you, this is not a permanent scenario what you're seeing now. Yes. Please understand that. Nothing in life is permanent. It can take 2 months more, maybe, hypothetically, then economic downturn, so it will take another 6 months to get over. It is not a permanent feature. Academics is like an armor in your body. Okay, yes. So if you don't want to leave this station, well, that goes against my principle of are you open? See, your mobility decides your career mobility, but I understand that sometimes family compulsions, you look after parents, or parents don't want, but you don't have to leave. But today online, you can do it anywhere you want a course. Please understand, you don't have to rush anywhere, but please, for heaven's sake, I always give this example of, if you go and buy mutton or fish, if you are vegetarian, my apologies, you look at the guy who is cutting the mutton or fish, every few minutes, he sharpens the knife. Why he does that? Because it gets blunt. You have to continuously sharpen your skill, and today sharpening skill is so relevant. I'm doing it every day. I never go to bed without learning one thing new when I don't have to do it, and that's why I'm still getting job. One of the reasons is that I'm excited by the new world order. And in fact, the more challenging the environment, I get excited because then your mettle is tested. Now, in that mettle, Darwin's principle will work. Only the fittest will survive. Fittest in this case is a guy who is most pliable in terms of knowledge, execution, working smart and hard, and follow that smart technology, smart acronym that I said. Follow that smart thing. You as an individual, remember, forget about company. You must understand you are yourself a company. I'll do PR or I do advertising or I do event. It is on your knack. You can try one or a few months, but don't waste too much time in thinking 5 years to know whether I'm good in events or not. I'm fatigued, I'm burnt out. Nothing. I understand your competition is much more, but the more you study will give you the excitement, what you are passionate about. And then job is another. You may not get unless you're an entrepreneur. You may not get the job that you'd love to do. You have to follow orders. You have to follow targets. But then your passion you follow in, suppose you are in photography. Do photography today. Everything is digital. Do online courses on photography and pursue your passion differently. So work-life balance people talk about, I always feel if there is no work, there is no life. And if there is no life, there is no work. But today you can take a different line. I'm doing work, I'm following my passion. So at any time you can migrate to passion because you have become such good in photography that you are doing PhD, you are teaching in photography is perfectly all right. So follow this twin track of job and academics together so that you can be able to contribute in your current job or get ready for a new job.